Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been missing in action, smack my own hand. I've been such a naughty girl. I've just not been inspired and I've missed you all so very much, and I hope everybody's really well, especially our lovely friends from America who are going through so much trauma at the moment. It's heart-rending to watch what's happening, and I hope you're all safe and well. Today I'm going to be making a quite easy coffee and walnut cake. As you can see, I've got some butter here ready and some sugar. Just going to mix it, so stick around and follow me, and I'll show you how easy it is to make, and it's just delicious. And do tell me in the comments section below what sort of cakes that you like to bake at home. I always love to know what people bake in their own homes. In winter, I love rich chocolate and rich date cakes and things like that, but in summer I don't so much. I love pavlova. So tell me, what do you like in summer and what do you like in winter? Do you like something lighter or something heavier? Please add all comments, and also in the description box below I will certainly add the entire recipe for this cake, so it's really simple. You might like to give it a try. So to commence, you'll need to add caster sugar to really room temperature softened butter, and then just whip it till it's all lovely and soft and light and fluffy. It's all pretty standard. Once you've added 2 eggs and fluffed them up and made it really nice and light again, you start adding flour and coffee alternatively and mix it through really nicely. I've used decaf instant coffee powder, and I've mixed it with a little bit of milk just to make it liquidy. You can make it as strong or as weak as you like. As I said, I use decaf coffee. You can use full strength, you can use espresso, whatever you like. Make it to your own taste. Lastly, you add vanilla essence and grated walnuts. I just used an electric chopper to chop the quantity of walnuts up to add, and they give a beautiful texture to that flour. Once you've done that, obviously all that's left to do is to turn your mixture out into your cake pan, even it out as best you can, bake it for the prescribed amount of time, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes in the pan to cool, and then turn it out onto a cake rack. Let it cool completely and then start to frost it. Frosting ingredients are very easy: cream cheese, butter and confectioner's sugar. Make sure that you sift that confectioner's sugar if it's lumpy, because it'll turn out a lumpy icing. The next thing you need is a little bit of coffee dissolved in water. Again, I've used decaf instant, and I'm going to mix that in with that and make a gorgeous thick frosting. Once your consistency is lovely and creamy, slather it all over your cooled cake. And you know, you could probably do this with a piping bag, but I've just done it with a spoon. You can see how beautiful and easy it is to, it glides across the cake. So make it as pretty as you can, because you eat with your eyes. Once you're happy with the frosting, start to adorn the top of your cake with beautiful fresh walnuts. They are nicer obviously if you toast them a little bit. You can even caramelize or candy them first, but I've left them in their plain natural state. And just put as many or as little as you like. And then for a finishing touch, you don't have to do this, but I like the taste of combination of coffee, walnut and chocolate. So I've actually grated some chocolate and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the cake now. It's just a nice finishing touch. And here it is in all its glory. Its fragrance is just, it's off the charts. If you love the smell of coffee and the fragrance of chocolate combined, it is just decadent and absolutely beautiful. There's nothing more to do than cut into it now. lovely friends, that's about it for now. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. I urge you to try it. I'm sure you'll love it. Or somebody in your family must be a coffee freak like they are in mine. Cuts beautifully, stores beautifully. You will love it. Please take care of yourselves wherever in the world you are during these precarious times. Frightening also. Be safe, and let's all hope that our world can revert back to what we once knew it to be, a safe and happy place. God bless all. I'll see you real soon. Love you faces. Bye.